Greetings, fellow course takers. This is my assignment on the experiencing the process of knowledge creation. This was paper number 2, the nature and use of inquiry-based learning in higher education. And I thought it was rather a very positive article. I thought it was well written, certainly starting with the introduction. Tell me and I forget, show me and I remember, involve me and I understand is something that sticks with us and is very informative. I thought the description of inquiry learning was very positive. And this I found really interesting because I had never seen this before, basically broken down between the different types of inquiry learning. And to have this table, I looked at it for a while, and to realize the difference between project-based learning and inquiry-based learning. I never heard of case-based learning, and I'm still not sure exactly where the difference is between case-based learning and project-based learning, but I guess other than logical thinking. And then discovery-based learning, well, again, that wasn't really explained as well, but my main emphasis was in these 3 areas, and I really appreciated the chart to sort of distinguish the difference between the 3. Going down with the article, again, the graphs were well laid out, and I thought they were informative. I didn't really understand this graph much at all between the pure PBL and the hybrid PBL. I didn't think that really made much of a case. This was very clear with the problem-based learning, inquiry-based learning, and how that they all sort of fit into each other. Okay, well, I'm just going to talk because I missed the part that I wanted to highlight and point out. There were a couple of things that really stood out. First of all, when it talks about Kolb saying that reflection was a key experience to new understanding, and I really support that. I think that is really important to have the kids work on their metacognitive, to be able to think about how they think and to be able to reflect upon how they're learning when the project comes to base. And I really think that the teacher, it's really important that they set out some ways that draw a reflection out of the kids. And I believe at first it needs to be really structured and then released to them to try to get that reflective piece out. I like how it described that it occurs in communities of inquiry in which teachers and students are co-learners. I think that's important. I like where it says that in the evaluation of it, it talks about, see if I can find that. I like how it basically says that generally it's more effective than traditional teaching, and in academic achievement, students' perceptions, their process skills, their analytical abilities, the critical thinking and creativity are all higher level than traditional teaching. It basically talks about it leads to deeper understanding, higher degree of reflection, the achievement of higher order learning, and more motivation. And then it's sort of wrapped up by talking about how even university students, if they were given 1 year, the first year of an IBL course, there was significant positive gains in not only passing grades, but achieving honors and remaining in university. And the one caution the paper sort of pointed out that I think is really worth mentioning is that learning skills that people learn in different ways, and that some students might be apprehensive with this approach and that they need support to make that tradition. So overall, a great paper written. I love the conclusions and how they're set out, and basically how it basically supports everything that it's talking about. So that's my reflection upon this paper, number 2.